guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm about to show you a huge grocery haul. This is for at least 2 weeks. I'm hoping this will last for 2 weeks. I made a menu and I wrote down at least 10 meals because I don't cook all 7 days a week, but I do cook at least 5, or my husband does. And of course I will be having my daughter doing the grocery hauls because most of y'all say y'all prefer Destiny to be in the grocery haul, so I got most of the groceries came from Stockup and Walmart. The reason we even have Walmart groceries because, sorry, the noise about back. The reason we have Walmart groceries because that Stockup didn't have a lot of the stuff that we needed, and luckily for us, Walmart is right next door to Stockup, so we didn't have to do a big of a drive. My husband is such a trooper. He went out there and got these groceries because I had to stay home with the kids. So I'm about to show you the groceries now.
First up, we have some hand sanitizer.
And what do we need that for?
When we're out and about.
Or to keep our hands clean.
Or when we're not at.
What's next?
Next, we have.
What's that? Feta cheese.
Feta cheese.
You like cheese?
I do.
Then we have some salt because we're completely out of salt, and that never happens to us. I always have backup. Really?
This is so happy.
We always have backup of salt, but we went through all of our salt, so we needed some more of that. So what's next?
So we have Rice Krispie Treat.
And all this stuff here is on this side is Stockup.
With milk chocolate M&Ms, minis, Cocoa Crisp Treat.
I can't wait to dig into my snack.
And chocolate Doritos.
Yep, it's mine.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Here. And we have our favorite yogurt drinks, the smoothies, and we have some strawberries.
Yum. How many of the, well, we only have one thing of strawberries, but everything is limited at Stockup. They don't let you get more than one pack of anything. You skip one thing, Mama.
Oh, and we have some
bacon.
And we have some tomatoes.
Some Roma tomatoes. I love Roma tomatoes.
And with the strawberries, we'll have some whipped cream.
Yum. That's one of our favorite ways to do it. I usually cut up all of the strawberries. It has a top on it.
I know.
No, leave it alone. Usually we cut up all the strawberries and I will just give it to the kids as a dessert with some whipped cream. That, you don't have to pick that one up, Destiny. That is some olive oil. We were out of that as well. A big thing of sour cream because I make my own ranch dressing and I go through sour cream like nobody's business.
And next up, we have some ham.
Some ham?
Honey ham.
I'm planning on making some sliders with some Swiss cheese, which is right here next to it, with some Swiss cheese and Hawaiian bread in the oven for one of our dinners.
And we have some more salt.
No, that's brown gravy, sweetie. Well, this one right here. Hold on. This is, we had to get seasoning salt. I didn't have any of that. And then we have brown gravy.
And Mama's favorite, she hasn't ate it in a while. She hasn't ate these bagels in a while. But this time we got some from the store, actually in flavors. There's blueberry kind and the regular kind Mama actually makes.
That one has like the little seeds on top. But I love bagels, y'all. But you can have some bagels too. Do you eat bagels? You do?
Yeah, the bagels. I'll just get the ones you eat. So
Okay.
I'm gonna try.
We also got some
Cucumbers.
We love English cucumbers, and we got some salmon. We're planning on putting this on the grill. A lot of these items, no, not today, baby. A lot of these meats and stuff, we're planning to eat more on the grill because y'all, it is nice and warm here in the South, so it is grilling season for us.
And we have this squishy. I'm squishing it right now.
It's some brown sugar, a big bag of brown sugar. We're completely out. Next thing we got is some steak. We're gonna put this on the grill. It is grilling season, so I'm excited to eat a lot of more grilled food. What's this, babe?
we have some 24
skinless. It's hot dogs, Destiny.
Hot dogs.
I love Nathan's hot dogs are my absolute favorite. Comment down below what are your favorite hot dogs. I know a lot of people have their preference, but you know, as a New Yorker, I like my Nathan's famous hot dogs. We got a big bag of red potatoes because I needed at least half of this, but I could make a meal with these potatoes. Red potatoes are my favorite ones to eat, and my second favorite ones are the yellow potatoes.
Next, we have some
burgers. So we got the Members Mark beef patties. That's gonna be a meal for us on the grill. Some burgers. We got big old pack of pork steaks. Yep. It was, how many was this? It was $18.29 for 9, almost 10 pounds. Okay. Excited about this one, you guys.
Myers Cleaner Day.
Clean day.
Clean day.
But you guys, I saw that Costco had their lemon verbena, but guess what? Sam's Club has this kind, and I've been looking for the rose scent. So Sam's Club has this one. They have the lavender. They have the mint. So they have a wide variety, not just one. So I was excited when I was able to find this because I cannot find this at Target or anywhere else.
And next up we have
some sausage, some kielbasa. So these sausages is gonna go with, hold on baby girl. These sausages is gonna go with the potatoes. I don't know if you guys remember when I did that get it all done video where I meal prepped, and I did the kielbasa with the potatoes and the green beans in the oven. Oh, that was so good. So we have that on the menu for either next week or the week after that.
And no, this is mine.
Oh, it is? Girl.
What? It's my Hawaiian.
So one of these packs, I'm planning to use this for the sliders with the ham and the Swiss cheese, and then I'm baking in the oven. It is so good, and it's such an easy meal to make for a weeknight. We have some, hold on, sweetie girl.
Hamburger buns.
Hawaiian hamburger buns for the burgers. Yum.
And hot dog.
You almost said hot burgers. What's a hot burgers? That's for the hot dogs. Lord help me. I also got a big box of chips because these children, baby, you're gonna smush the bread. These children here are eating me out of house and home. They constantly keep going to the pantry looking for snacks. So we needed more chips. We have none left besides the Takis. And those are too spicy.
Nah, not really.
Oh, really? You can handle Takis?
The drink.
Oh, yeah, okay. I didn't have enough space on my counter, but another thing that we was able to get, my husband said they was giving these out at the door to see if you needed some. And of course, we needed some, so we use these on the toilets, the light switches, the door handles, on so many things. So I was so happy that they had these in stock. And of course, you can only get one per. So now we're on to the Walmart stuff, you guys. So I needed my more vinegar. I'm almost out. I use it for my cleaners, and I use it for my laundry. I cannot be without vinegar, and it's amazing on towels, and it kills the smell. So I got 2 things of those. What we got now?
My almond milk.
She got some almond milk. We got to get that. Her favorite mac and cheese right here, Bob Evans. She loves to eat this often, and I mean often. This girl can eat some mac and cheese. So we got 2 of those. We got some mashed potatoes. The Idahoan kind is my favorite, but it's easy. It's for an easy weeknight dinner. You guys, I miss going out to eat. I miss going out to eat. It's eating somebody else's food right now. So I'm trying to get things that's easy for me to make for dinner. Okay, my husband also got for me some chive and onion cream cheese spread. These are for the bagels that we got from Sam's Club. So we got this one, which is so good. And if you make a sandwich, instead of adding mayo, you can actually add this to a sandwich or a Hawaiian roll with some ham and cheese. What? That is good. We also got the strawberry kind. Do you like this one? You want to try it for breakfast one day? And another one of these because I go through this so fast. I also got 2 big Dominican avocados because they are my absolute favorite. Yep, are they from DR? Let me see if I can focus the camera. Yep, see? Dominican Republic. So we also got some fudge brownies. I have some addicts in my house that are obsessed with this, but we're not naming any names. And her name starts with the letter D, just saying.
Whoopsie. I'm out here.
What are these, baby girl?
Green beans.
We love green beans. And she actually eats green beans. I love green beans. I could eat this in everything. So we got 5 bags of green beans because 1 is not enough. Usually when I make green beans, I make 2 or 3 bags at a time. And then my husband got me this container so I could put the brown sugar in because I had the brown sugar in a brown container and it got really hard. So I want something with the suction. And that's where I will put that in there. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put use my Cricut machine to make the label for that will say brown sugar.
And a little piece that you can fold up and down and on the other side.
So that was everything, guys. And I think he was able to get everything once he went to Walmart. With all in all, it was $350. And I'm praying this is all we need because I do not want to go to the store at all if I can help it. So I hope you guys don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.